Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you an updated hair care routine because in the last time I was introducing a new product in my hair routine, and beside this my hair has changed because I don't know if you saw my my last videos, but I was some kind of brunette, and now I have more blonde hair because I was doing just a type of balayage by using Munir product at my hairdresser. But beside of the fact that she was using professional product, Munir, which is a high-end brand, I have noticed that my ends are still drying because I was highlighting my hair more often in the last period because I was struggled to find my my right color to help cover my gray hair in this area, and now I am so pleased because she did sorry, she did some highlights in this part, and when my gray hair will start to grow, this wouldn't bother me so much like used to be in the past. But in the last year I have two bleaches with Munir, and this last one was in the same part of my hair, and also with a lot of heat. Sometimes I use a flat iron, curling iron, and my ends tend to be more dry. So I found finally my dream color, and I want now to grow out my hair and to have long and beautiful hair. This is my hair length right now. It's still growing so much in the last year, but I want to grow more and to have fuller hair because 2 years ago I was using this hair oil by Erim, and I was noticed that my hair in that period was so fuller and has a shine so special. I will put a photo in this video. So I want to have again this shiny hair, and today I want to show you what are the products that I use to maintain my hair color and not let my dandruff appear again, because if you don't know, I was struggle for many years with dry scalp and dandruff, and finally I was finding my my dream shampoo for dandruff. But maybe you know, dandruff shampoo strip the color of the hair, and if you pay a lot for the color, you don't want to strip the color with your shampoo, but also you don't want to have dandruff, so you have to balance this problem. So in today's video I will show you how I wash my hair and what product I use, what is my my hair care routine. So let's get started. First of all, I use this hair oil. It has rosemary. I will put some 2 drops. I also in the morning before I go to work I was oiling my ends, but only 1 pump because I don't want to have greasy hair at work. But I already have greasy roots, and today is my wash day, and I want to put some oil on my ends. I will let sit about 2 or 3 hours. I will put some 3 pump Plus because I want my my mid-ends to be soaking with this oil, and I will cover with a plastic wrap just to make sure that my hair it isn't drying with the oil, because when you put oil on your hair it tends to dry more your hair with the oil in it if you just leave like that. So I want to put 3 pumps more. I was learning that I don't have to put many pumps in the first time, because I want to make sure that every single part of my hair is full of oil, but not to put more and to put more. So I what is left on my finger, I apply on my scalp with a circular motion, because I was seeing so many YouTube videos of girls, women, mature women with fine hair, which are growing the hair and using natural oils, and that hair is fuller and shiny, and I want to see if this oil was helping me 2 years ago, or I was using in that period a hair mask by Fanola, if I remember well, but I will check in my photos on my phone. And that mask was with collagen, and they have a range called Botugen, something like that. And I want to see if the shine and how it looks my hair in that period was because of this oil, or because of the hair mask. So I oil my hair, especially in the mid-length. I brush my hair and I'll wrap with a plastic wrap. So my hair is I was putting my hair in a bun with my by Erim oil, and if I'm not using this oil for my mid-end, I will using this Olaplex number 3. Like you see, I was consuming in this bottle, but for now, and after I was bleaching my hair at the salon last month, I don't see so many results, but I will keep using, and I will tell you, I will make an updated video with my opinion after I will finish this bottle. Let's move on. So after I was putting some oil or Olaplex number 3, I will wash my hair, and after I talk with my hairdresser, I will switch between my Angel Wash for fine hair by Kevin Murphy shampoo with this Dermasan shampoo by Trio Art. This is anti-dandruff shampoo, and it is okay to use from time to time when I see some dandruff or some itchiness on my scalp. But in the other days, I use this shampoo by Kevin Murphy. For now it is okay, but she recommended me to use some shampoo for hydration for my hair. This is just color safe and for fine hair. I was buying some times ago, and when I will finish this, I will buy the hydration one by Kevin Murphy also. For the conditioner, I was buying from my hairdresser this conditioner for scalp and length for dry scalp and itchiness, and it is safe to use for my highlights now, but I will use from time to time just because I want to try some other product that I received today, and it is by Kerastase Resistance range. It is the mask, because I was reading that the masks are better than the conditioner because are thicker. So moving on, I was telling that I was buying this hair mask by my recommendation of my hairdresser. It is by Kerastase, and it is for damaged hair, and she told me, look how thick it is this. She told me that I have to use it, very good smell. I have to use it by something like a month, or after I finish this, and after I switch to other hair mask. So I will tell you after I will finish it how what result I succeed with this. So for additional product from time to time for my anti-dandruff, I use this spray. It is by Trico Art, and it is very good for my dandruff. And after so many years of buying different stuff, I finally bought this this product for my hairdresser by Natural Tricology by Trico Art. This too, and that conditioner for scalp by Tecna, and these are the products that help me to reduce my dandruff. So moving on, my only oil for now is by Indola. I'm not so pleased because it is thicker, and my hair tends to be more greasy when I use it. But for now, when I will finish it, I will buy the Olaplex number 7, that their oil, because I was reading so many good reviews for it. So like I was watching on Blowout Professor on YouTube, I am using for almost a month this leave-in conditioner by Redken, and I have noticed that my hair tends to be more flexible and manageable when I was using this. And when I was using it, this thermal by Redken, also with low hold, and it is very good if you use flat iron or curling one. So I guess that are my products that I use. In the last order on a local website, I was ordering on my recommendation by hairdresser this flexible hairspray by ISP Luxury Hair Care, and has 3 points of hold and 3 points of shine. And I want to see what is this about. It is made in Belgium. It has vitamin B6, B5, sorry, and UV filters. And I was told in her that I want some hairspray for my curls because I don't use heat, and I use my bandana to sleep with that and to make my heatless curl. And because my hair, after I use the oils, the Olaplex, it is more flexible and fine. I want something for hold, and she recommended this one. It is anti-humidity and UV shield. I want to see how it goes with this, because it has it says that provide hold and shine without build-up. So I will see, and I will make an updated hair care routine after I finish all this product. My coffee with cinnamon, it is very, very good. So these are all my products that I use, and from time to time I want to use oil for my hair. I will put the video down below in the description box what hair oil I am using right now, because I have fine hair with sometimes dandruff, and now it is bleach. So my hair, it's not a normal hair, and that requires some care. All of the product that I use, I will try to link down below. Hopefully you will find some information for your hair type or for your hair needs in this video. So I am glad that you watch my video, and please like this video and subscribe to see more videos about hair care, skin care, wellness and beauty tips. I post every week on Sunday, and you also can find me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description down below. So till next time, thank you for watching and have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Hi, so this is my hair the next day after I washed my hair. Look how shine and flexible it is. I love it so much, and all I do was to apply my new hair mask by Kerastase. These are my heatless curl. I just went at work, and this is my hair after I brush it in the morning. So I don't use it. I didn't use it, the hairspray, because I wanted to see how my curls looks. But I am so pleased with the hair mask, and this is only after one use. I'm so interesting to see how my hair will look after I will finish the hair mask. So this is my hair. The second day I made my heatless curl. I will make a video to show you exactly how I do these beautiful curls. Personally, I like it so much because I didn't use heat. My hair is healthy without using heat, and looks very nice because I have thinner hair. I feel when I curl it, my hair feels more fuller and look more fuller. So this is my hair, and this is what I wanted to show you my look after I use the hair mask by Kerastase. Look how bouncy is my hair. I will keep it posting about my impression after I will finish the mask. See you guys.